Hello everybody. Today we are looking at words for numerical quantities. When dealing with word problems in mathematics, it is imperative to know the words used for different quantities. For example, we could have a question: Roy's mother sent him to buy a dozen eggs. The price of eggs had gone up, so he had to buy half a dozen. Then part 1. How many eggs did he buy? So we are told that he bought half a dozen. If we know items that make up a dozen, we will just divide that number by 2 to get half. Then another question could be, if the price of an egg is 50 cents, how much did he pay? If we know the number of half a dozen items, we just multiply 50 cents by that number. Here are some examples. Words that mean 2. Brace. Brace means 2 goals scored by one player in a soccer match. A couple. A couple means 2 partners in love. A duo. This means 2 partners in music. A pair, which means 2 identical items. Let's have a look at more examples. Trio. Trio means a group of 3 people, mostly in music. Quartet means 4 people in music. Dozen means 12 items. Baker's dozen, 13. Score, 20 items. A decade, 10 years. Generation, 30 years. But this varies. In other texts, they start from 25. A gross, 144 items. A century, 100 years. But in sport like cricket, a century means 100 runs. And crate, 24 items, but this varies with the size of product.